Dreaming of bread, not another fight. Heart of a devil, soul of a man, grinding through hell with a blood-soaked hand. Eyes on the sky, but the dirt pulls him low, fighting for freedom in a world of woe. Every roar of the chainsaw cutting through the lies. A devil's pact in his chest, the fire never dies. Torn between the monsters, the love and the pain. Denji keeps moving through the pouring rain. Chainsaw screaming, tearing through the night. Blood and steel collide under flickering light. Fighting for a dream that's barely inside, but Denji's heart keeps burning, holding on tight. Makima's whispers, a cruel serenade. The warmth of her smile, a devil's charade. Friends turn to foes and foes turn to kin. In a world so twisted, there's no way to win. But in his chest, Makima roars, a bond unbroken, stronger than wars. Every roar of the chainsaw cutting through the lies. A devil's pact in his chest, the fire never dies. Torn between the monsters, the love and the pain. Denji keeps moving through the pouring rain. Chainsaw screaming, tearing through the night. Blood and steel collide under flickering light. Fighting for a dream that's barely in sight, but Denji's heart keeps burning, holding on tight. They call him a monster, a freak, a disgrace, but they don't see the boy with the scarred face. All he wanted was peace, a home to call his own, but the chainsaw inside won't leave him alone. Slicing through fate, breaking the chain. Denji's humanity shines through the pain. So raise